Hi, I'm Ryan, and I've been blown away by how groundbreaking this app has become. So we wanted to think of a way that we could take this app to the next level and make it even more of a reality by creating a remote. So we got our team of engineers together and we developed a kinetic connective device that pairs with the app. And no longer do you have to flick your finger on your phone, but now you can throw a real ball and catch them the way they were meant to be caught.
So here's how the product works. There's three main functionalities of the ball. The first one is you can actually throw the ball itself, and wherever it lands, the camera tracks so you can catch whatever it is that you want to catch. The second function is motion gestures. So you can use a motion gesture, and with a flick of the wrist, the accelerometer inside will actually pick up the motion, and it will be just like you're flicking the ball on a screen. So the third function is you have everything that I've just named, but you also have a power bank inside to be able to plug in a USB device and charge your phone in those last-minute critical gaming times.
We're really excited to be using a new technology in this application. It's a technology in artificial intelligence called computer vision. And computer vision essentially allows you to be able to use your phone's camera as though it were a pair of human eyes. And it can identify and recognize objects in real time, and then we can use those objects in the game as real pieces that we can interact with.
At the end of the day, it is my job to make sure that this thing is as fun and as immersive as possible. I mean, I've worked at Atari and EA and LucasArts on Star Wars and Clone Wars and Lego, and I gotta say that learning to build the skill like an actual trainer of throwing this ball is a ton of fun.
So we have the plans, the team in place, and the prototype, and we're ready to manufacture our product. So you can help us out by partnering with us in two ways.
The first one is you can actually pre-order the ball down below today. And the second way is share the hashtag Where's the Ball with your family and friends so we can get the word out.
So join the movement so we can finally catch them the way they were meant to be caught.
Cycling is one of life's great joys. It's a fast, fun, and free way to get around.
I just love the way you feel when you're on your bike and you're just riding and there's like the wind in your face and it's just, you feel so free.
But finding your way from A to B hasn't always been easy.
And I remember one of the first times I cycled to a new job, I just got lost and it was just really embarrassing to have to get off my bike, look at my phone and try and like find where I was going.
I just want to feel safe when I'm cycling and I just want to know how to get there.
Bluebell is a sat-nav and a bicycle bell that learns from the cycling community to find the safest routes. It's like having an expert guide you wherever you go. Bluebell connects to an app on your smartphone, so just type in where you want to go and Bluebell navigates you every turn. It also points to your final destination, so you'll never lose your bearings.
It's really handy having something to point you in the right direction of where you're trying to go.
If you made a wrong turn, Bluebell automatically recalculates your journey, so there's no need to check your phone for directions. The Bluebell app tracks your fitness and performance, and it even remembers where you left your bike. I didn't want to just make a slick cycling gadget. I actually wanted to create a community that can engage and communicate together to find safer journeys. And one of the things I kept thinking about was, well, what if every time somebody rang a bicycle bell, we would be able to use that data to find safer routes? And that's really how Bluebell came about. It's actually a Bluetooth bell, hence Bluebell. I decided to take up Arduino and play around with the electronic side of it myself, simply because I wanted to kind of try it out as I was developing it to make sure that the actual interface is as effective and intuitive as possible. If you're on your bike, you want to have your eyes on the road. So we've got a little buzzer in the device so that just before you're coming up to a turn, it will ping you a message. You can look down and see where
Meet Eon, the next generation in urban electric transportation. Eon is the first bolt-on kit that can convert any skateboard into an ultra-light and powerful electric vehicle. It's simply a matter of attaching our motor and power pack to your skateboard, and you're ready to roll. Eon is a radical new transportation solution. It will transform the way you move around the city. You'll zip through traffic and expand your ability to use any mode of transportation.
As a grad student at MIT, I commuted on my longboard and began to imagine what the future of transportation could be like. When I moved to San Francisco and created my first electric longboard, I knew I was onto something. I then connected with a group of amazing designers and engineers to take this idea to the next level.
Forget about car payments, gas, and parking. With Eon, you'll save money and enjoy your commute in a completely revolutionary way. Each motor can deliver more than 1,000 watts of raw power and can push you to top speeds of over 35 kilometers per hour. By integrating with your wheels, we've reduced drag so you won't even feel it's there when pushing. Our OFOC technology makes the ride completely smooth and silent, so stealthy that it'll be hard to even tell you're on an electric board. Well, besides the fact that you'll be able to fly uphill. Our kit is modular. You can choose between 1 or 2 motors and batteries to optimize for range and terrain. One pack gives you up to 12 kilometers of range, which can be doubled with a second pack. Installing Eon is a breeze. Just swap your wheels for our motor and slide the battery pack under your trucks. If you don't have a board, we offer 3 types to suit your riding style that will come completely pre-assembled. Eon is great when you're learning how to ride. You can bomb down any hill confidently with the safety of regenerative braking that will recharge your board while slowing you down. The Eon remote takes advantage of the latest in advanced biomechanics research to create the most comfortable, intuitive, and ergonomic controller available today. Your Eon experiences can be controlled by our mobile app. Fine-tune your board, review your stats, and even connect with other riders. We've designed Eon to be a platform for all your urban transportation needs. Its modular design will allow you to swap the power pack from your board to other electric vehicles. We are already designing Eon for bikes.
Electric vehicles have the potential to dramatically reduce global warming and toxic pollution generated from cars and trucks. Our mission is to create transportation solutions for urban commuters and accelerate our transition to sustainable energy consumption.
Kickstarter community. More than a year and 7 prototypes later, we're on the verge of manufacturing our first Eon badge. We need your support to help us move into production. The funds we gather will go towards custom tooling and the first run of Eons. Your support will also provide us the validation and feedback we need to continue developing exciting electric vehicle technology. Visit our website and join us for the ride.